Top of your mat, standing at the front of your mat. Start by sweeping your arms up. Press your palms together, overhead. Reach up out of your waist. Then you'll fold your body forward. Keep your belly lifted as you fold. Keep your spine nice and long to come all the way down over your legs. You can bend your knees as much as you need to really let your upper body completely relax. And sometimes in this first forward fold, your next step is to lengthen your spine forward. So you want to try and get a flat back. It might be helpful to bring your hands onto your shins, or maybe even all the way up onto your thighs. And you'll fold back down to the floor. Now plant your hands onto your mat and step back to a plank pose, which is basically like the top of a push-up. So here you want to check that your 2 index fingers don't sag your belly here. Lift your abdominals up, so your abdominals should be engaged, like getting a little birdie. Then from here, keep your body in one solid piece and slowly lower your body all the way down to the floor. Up behind you to come into what we call downward facing dog. So your objective here, lift your shoulder bones away from the floor to squeeze your shoulders onto your back. Your elbows down towards your hips, so your shoulders aren't up by your ears. You want to draw your shoulders away from your ears so your neck is nice and long. And you can even use some traction. Pull your hands down towards your hips so you can reach your heart forward even more. This is called your cobra pose. From here, tuck your toes back underneath you. You can press up through your, this is a hamstring stretch and a shoulder stretch at the same time. So there's a lot going on here in this downward face. And the next pose will be a lunge. So use your right foot to step forward between your hands. And if your foot comes way back here, just help it out so it comes forward on your mat between your hands. Once you're in your lunge, draw your legs close to each other. So you suction your thighs towards each other. Instead of melting your hips down, get that strength in your lower legs. From here, you can lift your arms, lift your body, reach your fingertips high. This is your crescent lunge. Again, you can bend your knees as much as you need. Exhale, fold your body down. Then you'll inhale, sweep your arms up, all the way up. Press your palms together at the top, and release your arms down by your side.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.